My dear students, today in this video program I want to calculate the value of electric potential due to an electric dipole at a certain given fixed point. प्यारे बच्चों, आज के इस वीडियो कार्यक्रम का जो मकसद है वह एक इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल के चलते किसी भी पॉइंट P पर इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल की वैल्यू को कैलकुलेट करना है. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट. हाउ विल यू calculate the value of electric potential? Now we consider two equal and opposite charges minus q and plus q which are located at points capital A and capital B respectively. मान लिया जाता है दो इक्वल एंड अपोजिट चार्जेस माइनस क्यू और प्लस क्यू क्रमशः बिंदु ए और बी पर लोकेटेड हैं एंड इमेजिन दैट द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन देम इज 2a. You can see this straight line. It tells about the distance joining the centers of the two charges and let it is 2a. Let the midpoint of this line AB, it is O. Now consider an observatory point P. Here the point P, it is located where we want to calculate the value of electric potential. यानी यहाँ पर एक पॉइंट P है जिस पॉइंट पर हम इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल की वैल्यू को कैलकुलेट करना चाहते हैं. Now you can see here the distance between point O and P, it is represented by this straight line OP. This line OP is the distance, it represents the distance between the midpoint of the dipole to the observatory point P. Let this distance OP, it is equal to R. Already I have assumed the distance AV, it is equal to 2a. O is the midpoint, so we can write OA equals to OB and it is equal to a small a. Also we consider that this line OP makes an angle theta with this line AB. You can see that is angle POB, let it is theta. Angle POB, it is theta. Now for such a situation it is told that the point P has got the polar coordinates P or theta. It is told that the point P has got the polar coordinates P or theta, means this distance OP is equal to R and this line makes an angle theta with this line OB. Now the dipole moment P can be given as mod of P, it will be equal to 2AQ, that is magnitude of the either of the two charges multiplied by the distance between them. It is clear that this dipole moment vector P will act from minus Q to plus Q along the line joining the centers of these two charges. Now we draw a perpendicular BE from B on this line OP. See here, we are going to draw a perpendicular BE on this line OP. It means that this angle is equal to 90 degree. Similarly, we produce this line PO to OF and again we draw a perpendicular AF on this line PO produced. So as it is the perpendicular, so this angle will also be equal to 90 degree. Now we are going to join this line BP and this line AP. let the distance BP, it is equal to R1, and the distance AP, let it is R2. See here, if we consider this triangle OEB, then this distance OE will be equal to how much? A cos theta. This distance OE, if we will consider this triangle, right angle triangle OEB, and if we try to calculate the value of OE, so OE will come equal to A cos theta. Now it is clear that if this angle is theta, this angle will also be theta. This line is perpendicular to this line. So these two triangles OEB and OFA will be similar to each other. So if these two triangles are similar, so we can write OE is equal to OF. It means that the value of the distance OF, it will also come A cos theta. One thing I am going to tell you, that this distance R1, it will be equal to OP minus OE. From geometry, the distance, this distance R1 will be equal to OP minus OE, and it will be equal to OP is R, so we will write R minus A cos theta. Similarly, this distance R2, it will be equal to this distance OP plus this distance OF, and it will be R plus A cos theta. Now we are going to calculate the value of electric potential due to these two charges at the point P. So firstly, we will calculate the value of electric potential due to this charge plus Q located at the point B at the point P. So let electric potential, E potential, due to charge plus Q at the point P is V1. मान लीजिए इस चार्ज प्लस Q जो कि पॉइंट B पर लोकेटेड है, इसके चलते पॉइंट P पर जो इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल की वैल्यू होती है उसको हमने V1 कैलकुलेट की, V1 मान लिया. So you have seen, for the calculation of electric potential due to a point charge, we will apply the same formula. So V1 will come equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into charge is plus Q. So we'll write plus Q divided by distance. What is distance? It is R1. So R1 is equal to R minus A cos theta. So we'll write R minus A cos theta. See here. Now, in the similar way, we will calculate the value of electric potential due to charge minus Q at the point P. So in this case, let E potential at the point P due to charge minus Q is V2. मान लिया जाता है यह जो चार्ज माइनस क्यू है, इसके चलते इस पॉइंट पर जो इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल की वैल्यू होती है वह V2 है। सो व्हाट विल बी वैल्यू ऑफ V2? सी हियर, द वैल्यू ऑफ V2, it will come 1 minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q divided by distance. Distance is R2 and R2 is equal to how much? R2 is equal to R plus A cos theta. So we write R plus A cos theta. Why we have put the sign negative here? This is because the charge is negative. Charge is minus Q. Now, the net electric potential. So what will be? See here. Net electric potential. Net E potential at the point P. At the point P will be V equals to V1 plus V2। यानी नेट पोटेंशियल को निकालने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, ये V1 और V2 जो है इन दोनों को हम सम कर देंगे। ध्यान से देखो, यदि इसको हम V1 और V2 को सम करें तो कितना आएगा भाई? Q बटा 4 पाई एप्सिलॉन 0, ये कॉमन आ जाएगा और इस तरह से हम इसको लिख दें क्या? दिस इंप्लाइज Q बाई 4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट। क्या आएगा यहाँ पर? 1 बाई आर माइनस ए कॉस थीटा, 1 बाई आर माइनस ए कॉस थीटा। जोड़ रहे हो, यहाँ माइनस है, यहाँ पर हम माइनस का चिन्ह देंगे और ये आएगा 1 बाई कितना आएगा? आर प्लस ए कॉस थीटा, आर प्लस ए कॉस थीटा। Now try to solve this. How will you solve? V will be equal to this V, it will be Q by 4 pi epsilon naught into, see here, let us take the common of r minus a cos theta and let us take the LCM of r minus a cos theta and r plus a cos theta. The LCM of these two will be r square minus a square cos square theta. To take the LCM, simply we will multiply a minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square. So it will come r square minus a square cos square theta. Now if you will divide this term by r minus a cos theta, then you will get r plus a cos theta, then minus dividing this r square minus a square cos square theta by r plus a cos theta, you will get r minus a cos theta. But since here negative sign, so we will write r plus a cos theta. Now minus r plus r will be cancelled out. So what you get? You will get v equals to a cos theta plus a cos theta, that is 2a cos theta. So here we will get b equals to 2 into a into q cos theta divided by 4 pi epsilon naught into r square minus a square cos square theta. dipole moment P is given as 2aq. So this V will be equal to P cos theta divided by 4 pi epsilon naught into r square minus a square cos square theta. Now suppose that this observatory point P, it is lying at very far off distance. So in such a situation, this term a square cos square theta can be neglected. So if this term will be neglected, then you will get the relation P cos theta divided by 4 pi epsilon naught into r square. So this is the required formula for electric potential due to an electric dipole at any point P for which the polar coordinates are P r theta. Now we want to discuss some cases. Case first. If the observatory point P lies on the axial line, so if the observatory point P lies on the axial line, then in that case theta will be equal to 0. So if theta will come equal to 0, then the same formula will take the form of P cos 0 means 1, P into 1, that is P. So formula will be P by 4 pi epsilon naught into r square. But if this point P lies on equatorial line, so if this point P lies on equatorial line, then theta will be equal to 90 degree. So cos 90 equal to 0, and in that very situation, the value of electric potential at the point P will be 0. Okay, thanks.